2024 GMC Sierra 2500HD. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It checks off in-demand features which offer more convenience, such as cross-traffic alert, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, seat massage, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera. Stop by for a test drive and feel the difference.